Hey everyone, today I'm diving deep into the power of 16/8 fasting, and how you can supercharge your results with 3 lab-proven hacks. If you've ever tried intermittent fasting and felt like you're not quite hitting the mark, this video is for you. Let's kick things off with a shocking stat from a 2025 Nature Metabolism study. Out of 22,000 people practicing 16/8 fasting, a whopping 84% never tracked their key biomarkers. That means they're missing out on the full benefits. Don't be part of that number. Stick around as I share 3 hacks from Nobel-winning longevity labs, guaranteed to upgrade your metabolic health. First up, hack hash 1, circadian biomarker syncing. An amazing discovery from the 2025 Salk Institute found that aligning your fasting window with your natural cortisol rhythms can increase adiponectin by 33%. For night shift workers like nurses, this means testing at 3 a.m. and 11 a.m. improved their HDL by 27%. Take it from a firefighter I know, testing his glucose at 14 hours fasted dropped his HbA1c to 5.2%. On to hack hash 2, micronutrient boosting. The Karolinska Institute discovered that taking 50 milligrams of zinc before fasting amplified ketone production by 41%. Add some Brazil nuts to your eating window. Their selenium boosts glutathione by a whopping 58%. And finally, hack hash 3, post-fast metabolic priming. Stanford researchers found that a 10-minute cold shower after breaking your fast can raise BDNF by 62%. Plus, sequencing your food intake, fat first, then protein, fiber and carbs, can reduce glucose spikes by 71%. This is your metabolic GPS. Track your biomarkers or get lost. Biomarker Blueprint, a 7-key biomarker tracker, a circadian testing schedule, and metabolic optimizing recipes. Smash that subscribe button. Blueprint, UCLA fasting protocol, Salk meal plans. Transform your metabolic health from the inside out. Thanks for watching, and remember, your labs deserve this. Catch you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.